Hi band friends, this is your friendly neighborhood sound engineer Josh back here in the booth. Just so you all know, I have Dylan here with me. Dylan and I are doing some training tonight. We won't do anything that messes up your ears, but if you feel the house turn completely off and we rebuild a mix or whatever, it's because we're working through some stuff back here sound-wise. So just preparing you for that. But let's start with just making some beautiful, beautiful noise. And to do that, I'd love to get started with some kick drum. All right, so we're gonna make sure our band is up at unity here. I only want to affect my channel at the moment. We've got 2 here. That's the click, right? Kick in, kick out is our thud. So we wanna blend those. Nice. Snare, please. What's the difference between top and bottom?
The top is where you get all the sizzle, and the bottom is where you get all the 200 hertz, like the pop.
That's actually backwards. Yep. So on the top of the snare drum, there are no snare lines. On the bottom, there are the actual snares. So the bottom's where we'll pick up all that sizzle. And here we're getting real hot. Hi-hat, please. We got some signal. All 3 toms down the line, please. And a full kick groove for me. Excellent, thank you very much. Can I get some bass guitar, please?
Hey Josh, one thing that we're changing, and we can rename it on the app, I don't know how. The thing that says bass dirt is now, we're sending just a clean, so we're doing like a dry wet thing. So bass dirt is now bass clean. And the other channel.
So what's coming down bass clean?
That's gonna be like the wet channel with effects and all that type of stuff. So you're having one constant clean channel, and then you're having one that has effects pedals on it.
Got it, so my bass clean channel is now my bass effects channel, and my bass effects channel is now my bass clean.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, I love that. One more time for me, please. Keep going, I need lots and lots of bass. He's right. Great, so that's a normal sounding bass.
Yeah.
And now this. Excellent, thank you very much. Yeah, I guess if you're gonna be throwing different effects on there, give me your most aggressive sound that you're gonna use tonight. That's coming in real crunchy on the wet line. Can you do your cleanest? I just wanna make sure we're around the same levels. Okay, perfect. Yes, we are all good on bass back here. Let's move on to some electric guitar. Can I get EG2, please? Some rhythm. Okay, that's fully clipped. Great, and I like it right around -18, -12. Can I get your most aggressive patch? It might have been that one you started with. Love it. And can I get your cleanest patch, please? Yeah, he's just a chill guy. Perfect. And then can I get some lead electric, please? And same thing, let's start with your most aggressive patch for the night. And your cleanest tone? Beautiful, love that. And then, yeah, let me get some keys. He's so freaking good at keys. So these are digital gain, which means that this analog gain doesn't do anything because there's no analog gain on the keys or on the pads. Excellent. And then if you can send some tracks down the line for me. So we're gonna be balancing the track vocals with Grace's vocals. But we've got plenty of gain coming in for these. Got a little shaker in there. Awesome. I'm all set back here, so just give me a thumbs up when you're ready. I'll explain what I'm doing here in 1 second, sorry.
I am doctor of tone.
I am checking that there's actually vocals being sent to the delay because one of the guys, whoever it is, has them all turned off in the delay. I think he must send them on a case-by-case basis. So, just making sure. Because we're gonna play with all of it.
Cool.
That was so loud.
You good back there, Josh?
I'm good.
Nice. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for being patient for that.
Okay, so now that we have gain set, what are we gonna do before we mess with all the settings?
Save them?
Yeah, do you remember how to save a scene?
Yep. I'm pretty sure I do.
Tap right here on his name. And then we're gonna save him a new scene for this week with whatever the date is. So you're gonna hit store right down here. And then change it to Josiah and whatever the date is today, which I believe is the 19th. Okay, and there it is.
All right. Let's go through the first song. This is Our God.
You might be clipping a little bit.
It's at 32-bit float, but we can still, it won't hurt it, but we can also dial it down now that we've noticed.
Your wife's closet.
No clipping for us.
That's right.
Let's do This Is Our God, and then we'll do ear check and all that stuff. Here we go. So this song is giving you a little tempo before the count-in happens, George, as you heard earlier.
Okay, great. So we're gonna start by having you build a mix for me. We're gonna go no effects yet. I'm gonna have you just put the fundamentals together. So build your glue. Let's get some bass in there. Is he not playing? Oh, he's doing his ears. And then we want lots of keys. That's gonna be kind of our other glue piece here. Then our kick drum is kind of overwhelming everyone else. And then let's bring your vocals in. Craig, she's singing too. So right now, your electric is doing a great job of driving us along. Remember that when we get to the chorus, we gotta pull back on them and put someone else in charge just to keep it dynamic. So I would go back to the keys and bass combo to your chorus. But it sounds great right now. Nice. I'd get some more bass in there. Let's feel it.
He's just there. Now he's playing.
Yeah. So make sure your lead vocal is leading. Right now the tracks are the lead, and she is the harmony. Pause for a second, take a step back from the board, close your eyes, and tell me how many individual instruments you can hear right now.
It's mostly drum and vocal.
It's pretty saturated, right? So let's try making some space here. I'm gonna start by just pulling everything, and I'm gonna build a new one. Let's put the keys in there.